is find the slope between those 2 points using the slope formula, and then take that slope and plug it into, take that slope and plug it into y equals mx plus b, and then plug in one of these points. It could be the -2, 5. So you plug in the -2 for the x and the 5 for the y, and then solve that equation for b. So you can plug in this point, or you can plug in the other point, the 1, 2. Either of those points you can plug in, no problem. Then also problem number 3, write the equation of a line that passes through the point 1, 5 and is parallel to the line with the equation y equals 3x minus 5. Very similar to what we had just done up here. So what you do is pull off these, remember it's parallel, so they're going to have the same slope. So the slope of the old line is 3, therefore the slope of the new line will also be 3. So now you have a point of the new line, a point of the new line is here, 1, 5, and the slope of the new line. And so you plug it in to y equals mx plus b and do it exactly the same way that you see here in your notes. There's a few more problems that are here in your book. Very, very helpful. Let me not take the time right now to walk through and explain those to you, because once you understand this, if you can get this and really go through and make sure you understand that, then the rest of this is easy. Let me just explain real quick. This is the same type of problem that we just did here with number 3, and really that we did over here with example number 1. With the exception of the new line is perpendicular. So all we do is take the opposite reciprocal of the slope. That's all that we do. Everything else is essentially the same. And for this, here you have a graph, and you have to create the equation of a line. We can do that. That's simple. We did that sort of a thing just a moment ago. And then here's the standard form. And what they do is just use algebra to put it into the slope-intercept form. So all you do is subtract 3x from both sides and so forth. Okay. Well, actually, I'm sorry. In this case, what they're doing is finding the y-intercept and the x-intercept. And we can talk about that later. So, all right, so I just want to make it as short as possible video for you on the key things that you need to know, and these other things I'll catch that in class with you. Hope that was helpful. Please play it back again and take your time, strain those muscles, and I look forward to seeing you in class soon.